Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm out here braving the cold because it's Food Pantry Day.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris, Uncle Chris.
All right, nieces and nephews, we are back, and we're going to start from the right and go to the left. Okay, first thing I received, diced potatoes. I'm starting out crazy. Diced tomatoes. And as you know, I love the no salt added. These are wonderful. And I got some low sodium tomato sauce. Because I'm going to make some, meals for one. Frozen meals. We're going to make TV dinners. And my first one's going to be spaghetti, okay? Now we got some whole kernel corn. The wonderful, wonderful corn that I love so much. This would be a great side for some of the other frozen meals we make. Then I got some black beans. We can do all kind of things with this. Black beans go in black bean burritos, all kind of stuff. Got some candied yams and syrup. Then I got some low sodium asparagus. I love asparagus with my steak. And this is a godsend right here. I'm so glad. Put a little lemon on that or hollandaise sauce. Oh, yeah. Cream of mushroom soup. Heart healthy. 50% less fat. 50% less sodium. Let's see how much is in here. Just so I can get this in focus. Where is the sodium? Where is sodium? I can't find it. Unless I'm blind as usual. Duh. Oh, duh. 410 milligrams sodium, 18%. Thank goodness. Oh, thank God the refrigerator shut off. I need a new refrigerator, y'all. Then I got 4 packs of macaroni and cheese. I make my own cheese sauce. I do not use their packet. Too much sodium. But the pasta is fine. We can do all kind of things with this. Casseroles, our own hamburger helper. Yes. And I got some red beans. Gonna make red beans and rice. But I can also make red beans and pasta. That's good too. I got some grape juice. Let me get out the glare. This is from concentrate. I think it's pure grape juice. I think so, yeah. It's pretty good. I'm gonna throw that back in the icebox and let it chill. Then we're gonna jump over here. Starting off with our wonderful, see that? Oatmeal, quick oats. I love oatmeal. I also love oatmeal cookies. I've got 2 bags of rice. Lately I've been cooking rice. I've done chicken flavored rice and I've done beef flavored rice. You can do all kind of meals with this. Rice and gravy, liver and rice with gravy, beef and gravy with rice, and chicken as well. We got some knockoff Rice Krispies. This stuff is good, you all. You gotta try it. And makes wonderful non-baked peanut butter cookies. I'll show you how to do that. Little peanut butter balls and honey covered with Rice Krispies and little powdered sugar. Cake mix. We got some white cake mix with some frosting. Complete cake mix here. Yeah, this will be nice. You're going to see what I do with this. I'm going to jazz it up. I'm going to have a week of recipes where I'm going to challenge myself to make fancy, high-end food recipes with things from the food pantry. Got some steak pieces. I'm going to give these to Miss Brenda so she can make some wonderful cookies. I got some pasta for my spaghetti meals, for one. Got some peanut butter. Then I got some chili. Chili with no beans. I use this for the kids. Give them chili dogs. They like that. They're getting a little old now, but they still love it. Oh, plant-based oat protein beverage. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm telling you. I thought that'd be like, ugh, but no, it's good. It's like oat milk. If you've not tried this, try it, and it's great on your oatmeal. Really good. Then I got a vegan option here. Tofu curry. This is pretty good. I've tried this before. It's a little spicy, but I like spice. But it's good. Oh, check it out. I love cottage cheese. Have you ever had cottage cheese on a salad instead of dressing? This works so well. Love it. Then I got a whole block of cheddar cheese, mild cheddar. I can make some wonderful casseroles, or I could just make some macaroni and cheese, or a cheese-based sauce to go over pasta. Mmm. Now, I got some frozen corn on the cob. I love corn on the cob. You can put these on the grill and smoke them. Put them in a pot and boil them with some butter and black pepper. Oh, you are living the life. Then I got some premium white chicken. I love this stuff on salads, in casseroles. Sprinkle it through your macaroni and cheese. It is so good, and it's just a wonderful thing. You can dry it out, get the juice out of it, put a chicken salad together, and do that for the kids' lunch, or just for yourself. We got some pork loin chops. How lucky am I to get these? These are wonderful. Put these in a gravy, tender as can be. Let them boil for a while, at least 30 to 45 minutes in that gravy. Let it cook down. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Then we got some fish sticks. I'm a big kid at heart. I love fish sticks. Love them. Then we got some frozen apples. Now, this is my surprise. I'm going to make my apple dump cake. I'm going to show you how you do that. It is delicious. Oh my goodness. You will love that. You can also make apple pies with this. They are wonderful. Then we got some knockoff Cheerios. What is this? Yeah, Honey Nut Cheerios. These are the knockoff brand, but these are so good. They are so good for breakfast. Kids love them. Then I got a bag of tortilla chips. These are my favorite because these do not have a ton of salt on them. I like them. Like the coffee maker we got from the resale shop. Yes, yes. As you saw in my video, I built this kitchen out of the resale shop, I'm telling you. Then we have laundry sheets, detergent. If you see these in the food pantry, grab them. They are wonderful. I also got some light bulbs. I use these outside because they're 100 watt. Yeah, you know. But this is a pretty good haul, everybody. I'm so happy with this. The things I can make, you're going to love what I make. Let's get a pan of everything we have. Wow, what a great haul. That is going to come in so handy. Now that I've gone to the food pantry, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. One, we're going to go to the dollar store because we're going to get trays so we can make our own frozen meals. Two, we're going to the food store because this now dictates what I'm going to buy. Now remember, no shame in the game. Go to the food pantry if you need it. Don't let anybody shame you. Somebody tried to do that to me. Didn't work. I am not going to stop. And I'm not going to stop giving people ideas for recipes and loving you guys. And if you need food, hit me up. I will get it to you. Okay? If I'm in your area, I will be more than happy to. In fact, write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. Okay? Also, I'm on Facebook. I'm on Facebook. You can contact me there. If you want a live chat, I'll let you know when I'm going to do that. Now, I want you to do something else for me. Like, comment, you know it. subscribe. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, and check in for the recipes. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?